10 minus 5 equals to 5. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. 2 squared equals to 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. But this answer, of course, is not correct. Why? Because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, or as some say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, we must first do what's inside the parentheses. So we must first do this. Then we do exponents. In this case, we have square exponents. We do multiplication and division in the third place, and we need to do it from left to right. In this case, we have one multiplication, and at the last we do the addition and or subtraction. So we have the subtraction here. So we cannot combine first, we cannot do first the subtraction, then we do the parentheses and then multiply, because this suits us. No, there is the rules, which is PEMDAS, the order of operation. So therefore, parentheses first, exponent second, multiplication and division third, and addition and subtraction fourth. So what we have here? We have first parentheses, so we know that here we have 2 and exponents, so 2 squared is 4. So we can write the following equation as 10 minus 5 multiplied by 4. So as seen here, then the multiplication and division, they have higher priority over addition and subtraction. So in this case, we must first do the multiplication, even though we don't have the brackets. If you want to make it easier, you can always add in such examples when you have when we have subtraction or addition on one side and you have multiplication or division on another side, you can combine them, so then you don't get confused by the sign and you know which one to do first. So we have 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So because it's in brackets still, we do it first. We do 10 minus 20, and the answer is minus 10. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Ciao, ciao.